Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be making $7 every 60 seconds. This is going to be PayPal money, and this is something that actually you can do worldwide. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can make $7 paying directly to your PayPal account or to wherever you want every 60 seconds. And to be honest, you can make way more than $7. Okay. First, what we're going to be doing is something that is called drop servicing. Okay. We're going to be the middleman. And this is a strategy that I used years ago and it's still working, and I don't know why not that many people are doing. Okay, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be using two websites that I suggest. The first one is called Idqnet, like this, Idqnet. Okay, because we are gonna be selling or actually reselling Instagram followers. Okay, so as you can see, they are high quality. You can get 100 subscribers by just paying $2.95 up to 2,500 by paying $29.95. It's instant delivery, high quality, automatic refill. They don't need password. They actually provide live 24/7 chat. As you can see here, you can have it too. And you have all the features here. As you can see, this website looks really professional. They have an FAQ questions. It's really legit. And I don't know why right now it's not popping up, but when someone make a purchase, you have a pop-up here. Okay. This is a very first service that you can actually resell. They do everything Instagram based. In my opinion, you can actually, well, not only in my opinion, in my experience, you can actually go above and beyond this. Okay. Back, I think it was in 2017, 2016. I'm not 100% sure. I used to use this method. Okay. But I go, above and beyond. I recommend you to go with this website that it's called socialfancy.net. This is the actual provider that I used to use, and I used to offer almost everything that they have here. Okay, they have services for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, SoundCloud, Spotify, even web traffic and TikTok. Okay, so you can choose even if the service is going to be something global or it's going to be gender specific, country specific, category specific. Okay, so as you can see, you can click here on Instagram and they are telling you the actual prices. Okay, this is the actual service provider that I used to use. Again, I used to offer almost all the services that they have. In my opinion, the YouTube views are really popular. Also, Facebook followers, Instagram followers, and the website traffic. Everybody wants traffic. We even have a really huge product that was launching at that time. It was, I think, in Spain. So they wire us the money. So you can get paid whatever you want. So here, for example, if you want worldwide traffic from Germany, Spain, US, UK, Canadian traffic, let's say that you're going to go with the US. Okay. The price is really cheap. Okay. 1,000 views for just $3. Okay. The only thing that they need is the actual website. You can put the quantity here. Let's say that you want to go with 3,000. Okay. It's going to be $8.55. And you can say like, okay, I'm going to sell you this 3,000, the traffic, US target traffic, well, not super target, but I mean from the US, and you're going to be paying, I don't know, $15. Okay, you're going to be making your profit margins about, it's about 100%, so it's really cool. One of the things that I love about this is that you are actually the middleman. this kind of service is pretty straightforward because they can see this traffic in Google Analytics. And the same with the social accounts. Let's say that you have someone who says like, okay, I want to have Instagram's followers on my profile, right? Or I want to have people watching my stories. Boom, you can click here. 1,000, it's $13.90, so you can sell it for $20 or $19. The delivery time is between 0 and 12 hours. You just need to have the Instagram account username, so no password is required. If you want more, let's say that I want to go again 3,000, it's gonna be $40. So since the service is pretty straightforward, these people are not gonna be reaching you like wondering like, hey, what's going on with my Instagram account? No, because hey, they just need to go to their Instagram account on their mobile, on their cell phone, or maybe on the website, and they're gonna know that everything is growing. Okay, so you can also offer packages. Okay, here are some packages. You can also offer packages like combos, like, okay, this is my Instagram combo. Okay, so this is actually really good because they do have tons of services, as you can see, on the different social networks. So you can offer someone like a bundle pack, okay, rather than just to be focused on just one social network. My suggestion, again, this is based on my experience, is go with this. Okay, so this is actually really cool. You can see here and click on the service list. So if you want to have a better view and to understand the minimum you can order and the maximum, because this is something that you need to explain in your actual website, so you can understand like, okay, how much money you're gonna pay per unit, how much money you're gonna pay for every 1,000. Okay, so this is a really cool service provider. This is one that I used to use, is socialfancy.net. Okay, now that you understand the idea, you might be wondering like, okay, this website, right, it's look really professional. I want to have something like this. Okay, because you have two options. You can create your own. For example, let's say that you're offering the Instagram followers instant delivery service. You can create your own Instagram profile offering this service. But my suggestion, again, this is based on my experience, go and create your own website because it's going to look way more professional. Okay, you don't need to pay an arm and leg to have this kind of website in which you can accept money, on which you're going to have a chat support, in which is going to look really professional. No, okay. The tool that I use is called Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can give it a try for just $1. Okay, they do have a chat support that works 24/7. Yes, they are 24/7. They do have even the assistant. So if you're new to this and you want to learn like, okay, how this can help me, maybe I want to build my website, you go to the assistant. They do have also a coolest and newest knowledge base. And because this is an all-in-one platform, you're going to be using the Sheeta drag and drop website builder, which I'm going to show you in a moment. You're going to have a tool for email marketing. And let me tell you something. Again, this is based on my experience. It's way better to have a buyer list than just to have leads. So, as you can see, whenever I'm trying to quit this website, there is no pop-up. There is nothing that's telling me, hey, before you go, what if I offer you a better discount, like a $10 coupon code or a 10% coupon code? You name it. So you just type in your name here, your email account, and I'm going to send it to you. So you have a person that was about to leave. Maybe that person converts. And by converts, I mean they make the purchase, and they decide like, hey, no, I'm not going to go and purchase, but you know that this person is interested on what you have to offer. So you can start sending them emails. And when they become a buyer, you can create your own buyer list, and you can keep sending them special promos just for your buyers. Also, the social proof, which is a pop-up. So whenever someone make a purchase, it's going to be here on the corner saying like, hey, I don't know, Pepito from I don't know where, he just make a purchase. Okay, you can model what you see on this page or any other pages. So it's not hard to do this with Builderall. Something really important is that you can connect your domain. You can have a professional website bot. So if someone have a question and maybe you are not there, to be talking with people, this is an actual chat bot that is going to be doing the sales for you. You can do the browse notification. I don't know if you already know about that. So whenever someone's agreed to receive the browser notification, you can be in touch with that person, not only on the email marketing, actually via email, but with the browser. So it have a better open rate. And they recently launched a chat builder, so you can be in touch with people in real time. Okay, so this is really cool. You can click here where it says enter and you're gonna land here. Don't worry, click here where it says new site. You can create a site template. I'm gonna put this tutorial and I'm gonna name it tutorial. I'm not gonna use a site template. I'm gonna start from scratch. I'm gonna click here where it says blank. The reason why I'm gonna start here from scratch is the fact that I want to show you that it's really easy to build a website with them. Okay, and on the meantime, while this is actually loading, I want to show you that they do have something that is called the super checkout. Okay, the super checkout is actually a way in which you are going to be processing all the sales automatically. Okay, you can configure it with PayPal, with Stripe. They do have other providers in which you can connect it with Bitcoins. And also you can have your own affiliate program. So with that says, that means that you are not going to be the only one who is going to be offering this. Okay, you can have an affiliate program and you can let them know like, hey, you know what, are you interested on this? Okay, I'm going to offer you a percentage, okay, based on what you sell. So this is everything with the super checkout. We have the GDPR settings. So this is really, really cool. So here everything works with panels. Panels are pre-built things. Okay, for example, let's say like we have the first of all, let's say that, I don't know, you're gonna have this like, hey, we're gonna be offering some of these services. Okay, so you're gonna click here. Okay, wait, did I click it? Here is it. Okay, so as you can see, it's look really professional, really cool. What else do we need? Okay, we need, let's close this. Let's say that we need the content. Okay, what else we're offering? Or maybe depending on what you're offering, right? You are gonna be doing like pricing tables, right? If you decide not to go with my strategy in which I was offering everything, but you want to go with the Instagram followers, you can have here really good looking pricing tables. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one, right? So as you can see, the system is already creating everything for me. And don't worry, this is actually drag and drop. So if you don't want this to be here, but you want this to be here, boom, that's it. And it's mobile friendly and it's ready. Okay, so it's really easy and really simple to use it. Let's say that you don't want this to be here, so you want to be move at the top. So boom, here's it at the top. Okay, so the system is really easy, really simple to use. If you want to change the colors, you can double click, you can change the font type, you can change, like if you want to make it bold, italic, you can add an icon. There are other settings here as well. So it's really easy to have these side of websites offering services with Builderall. So you don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a programmer. And if you're interested about, offering drop services with social media approach, because right now more than ever, everybody is being there, and you can see you can offer TikTok, which is, the latest thing right now. Right, let me see what they do have on TikTok. They do have followers and they do have views. Hey, you can go ahead and do everything on Builderall. So you're gonna have a really good looking website, really professional. Okay, so again, if you want to give it a try, I'm gonna leave a link below. It's just $1. That's it. Your profit margins can be 100%. It can be way more. You can have customers from all over around the world. I can tell you based on my experience, and you're gonna have all the tools that you need with Builderall. When I was offering this, I did not have all these tools. Everything was, I don't know, apart. So I was paying a lot of money to have this, and it was really hard to build a website. So my suggestion is go ahead, start your business. Right now, everybody is currently at home. Everybody is trying to make money online. This is a legit service. This is a legit website that I used to use. That's the reason why I'm suggesting it. Everybody's trying to go Instagram. Everybody's trying to grow TikTok. Everybody needs traffic. So this is going to be an evergreen business. Okay. And the customer service is really, really low. You don't need to have a chat support if you don't want. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. Please give me a thumbs up. As you do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Leave it a comment if you have some comments, some questions. Share this video with someone you might think he or she will like it. And I see you on the next video.